Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to another video. So I had an interesting conversation at work today and it involved the new Disney Plus. Now I've had Disney Plus since it came out and I absolutely love it, but I actually found that some people who have smart televisions aren't able to download the Disney Plus app if their TV is older than 3 years. If you look here on the Disney website, it gives compatibility of what devices you can actually use it on, and for certain TVs, if it is older than 2016, then it won't run on those smart TVs. So I thought that I would throw a little video together and show you guys some options of what you can do if you are in this situation and have an older TV that you cannot watch Disney Plus on. Now, I did want to mention that I will have links to all the products mentioned in this video down in the description below. Those are affiliate links and I do appreciate if you guys use those. Also, don't forget to take time to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos like this. Now, luckily you can buy smart TV sticks out there to plug into your TV, which essentially makes your TV smart. The first one that I have listed here is the Fire TV stick in 4K. The reason I have this one listed first is because there is a killer deal going on for this one right now. It is 50% off. So normally this device is $50 and this is for the 4K version. But right now, if you look right here on the screen, it says you can save $25 using this code at checkout. Now, if you do click on the learn more, it does say that it is not applicable for everybody. So go ahead and click on that learn more to find out if you are able to use this code. But if you are, it is a fantastic deal. And out of everything that we're gonna be talking about in this video, this is going to be the best deal right here. So for all the platforms and all the devices that we're gonna be talking about, you do not need a subscription for any of these. You can just buy the device and load up the Disney app and use it with your Disney paid subscription. For these Amazon devices, you don't have to be a Prime member. You don't have to sign in. You will have to actually create, I believe, a Amazon account to log into it. But once you are logged into it with your Amazon account, you don't need to be paying any kind of subscription fees for that. These do work standalone. So if you're just looking for a Disney Plus, you can do that without additional monthly charges from these devices. So in addition to the Fire Stick 4K, we've also got just the regular Fire Stick. Now, if you look here, the regular Fire Stick is having a small sale. It is $34.99. It looks like right below there, they are having a sale that if you buy this with an Echo Dot bundle, you can get it for $41. So that's pretty cool if you were looking to also pick up an Echo Dot. This one is not going to be in 4K, but it essentially is the same thing. The next one that we have up from Amazon is their brand new, which is kind of their second edition Fire TV Cube. Now I have the original Fire TV Cube and this is what I use daily. This is something that is in my family room and we use it all the time. I did a video on it when it was released last year. I'll put a link up here if you guys want to check that out. But essentially what this is it is a Fire Stick and it is an Echo Dot built into one device. I use this on my TV that is 10 years old and it works fantastic. We talk to it all the time. We're always having it play shows or set timers or alarms. Or another cool thing that you can do with all of these Amazon devices is that if you have any kind of security cameras, you can also ask to see those security cameras, whether it be a Ring video doorbell or an Arlo security camera or a Wise Cam. You can have your Amazon device show that on any screen that it's plugged into, whether that be a TV, monitor, whatever. So that's the cool thing with the Amazon environment. Next up, I wanted to show you guys, if you are not an Amazon user and don't like Amazon, that we also have the Google options here. So Google has Chromecast Ultra, and that is $70. And then we've also got the Chromecast 3rd generation, so that's gonna be the non-4K one, that is $35. So both of these versions right here are going to be Google's version of what we looked at before. The third environment on my list that I wanted to bring to your attention is that if you are a diehard Apple user and you like the Apple environment, granted this is going to be an expensive option for you, but coming in at $199 is the Apple TV 4K. So this one also has a built-in 64-bit of storage. It does say the latest model, and if we take a look here, there's also the Apple TV 32 gig, and this one comes in at $150. With all of these devices, you get a huge array of options. Not only we're talking Disney Plus, but you can do Netflix, Hulu, ESPN, just a wide range of different options here. The last environment that I wanted to talk about is the Roku. So this is another premium company that has their own streaming media device that you can connect to your TV. I have actually not used Roku, but I know several people that have, and they absolutely love it. And this one here is the 4K version on sale right now at $30. So that is a pretty good pickup right there too. But anyway, that's all I have in this video. I just wanted to give everyone who is having issues loading up Disney Plus on their older TVs, and here are some options that you can look into. Essentially pick an environment, and any of these are going to work fantastic. If this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up. As always, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.